Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the chapter of biology, that is part 1, inheritance and variation. So we'll be talking about some of it, basic topics. So we will clear about all the details of the basic concept behind inheritance and variations. So what are the different topics included in it? We'll go on with it. So let's get started. Inheritance and variation. So you must be knowing about what is inheritance, but let's start with the basic concept behind it. So what do you mean by inheritance? So it is a process, we can say it is a process, it is a natural process occurring in a living organism So what it is a process of transmission of characters from one generation to next generation. ओके, सो इनहेरिटेंस इज व्हाट, एक प्रोसेस है जो एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में होता है. बेसिकली क्या होता है इसमें होता ये है कि जो भी कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो ट्रांसमिट होते हैं एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में. सो इसीलिए हमें क्या दिखता है, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं वो सिमिलर दिखते हैं और कुछ कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं वो कैसे दिखते हैं, वेरिएंट दिखते हैं, डिफरेंट दिखते हैं, अलग दिखते हैं, वैराइटीज़ दिखती हैं उसकी. ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन में कोई भी कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं वो एक नहीं है, बहुत सारी वैराइटीज़ हैं. तो इनहेरिटेंस की वजह से हमें क्या मिलता है, कैरेक्टर्स का डिफरेंट ट्रेट यानी कि डिफरेंट टाइप्स मिलते हैं. ठीक है, सो विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज वेरिएशन. Okay, so what is variation? Variation is nothing but the difference. So what it is the difference of characters we see in any population. Okay, any population, be it in a family. Example, parents are different, children are different from their parent, and among themselves too. Even we can say the twins. Okay, what, the twins, they are also not exactly same, not exactly same. Okay, they have some differences in their characters if we notice very prominently to them. Not all the trees in the nature are similar, because we see like mango tree. If we talk about mango tree, so all the mango tree seems to be same, but if you study it very clearly or very minutely, you will be able to see the differences in their leaves, in their flowers, in their fruits, in their type of fruits, in their taste, in their color, in their height, in their weight, everything. Okay, so these are called as variations, and these variations, these type of variation helps to bring about what we can say is evolution. So evolution is done, evolution occurs because of variation. Okay, so variation helps the bringing of or upbringing of evolution. So how the human being changed from very simple person to the modern technical person is because of variation. So variation is actually done by the nature. अगर हम कहें तो वेरिएशन जो है वो कौन हेल्प करता है करने के लिए? नेचर सपोर्ट करता है. कौन सपोर्ट करता है? नेचर. सो नेचर उनको सपोर्ट करता है जो बहुत हेल्दी हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा केपेबल हैं नेचर में रहने के लिए, सर्वाइव करने के लिए. तो उनके अंदर डिफरेंसेस आते हैं, उनके अंदर चेंजेस आती हैं, एंड दिस चेंजेस हेल्प देम टू ब्रिंग अबाउट द evolution in them. So for example we can say the dinosaurs were the animals very much prominent during the Mesozoic period, but they are not now visible because वो अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाए. तो वो रह नहीं पाए इस एरिया में,